In September, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 range, and the leaks are becoming more severe. A new wallpaper created by Apple's own software is among the most intriguing features. Its 1260 by 2736 screen resolution precisely matches the size of the upcoming iPhone 17 Air, as reported, possibly leading to reverse wireless charging. This is the first real clue from Apple's own code. We can determine the precise weight and battery capacity of the Air model, which comes to about 145 g, according to another leak. Nevertheless, it has been reduced by 2,800 mAh, around the same capacity as the battery found in the iPhone 12 5 years prior. An houred battery mode, which learns your behaviors and turns off superfluous items, is one of the new software techniques that Apple may be attempting to compensate for. Significant leaks have also surfaced about the basic iPhone 17, including the screen's expansion from 6.1 to 6.3 inches and its first ever 120 Hz. But because it isn't adaptive, this 120 Hz will always run at maximum speed, which might shorten battery life even further. The base model of the iPhone 17s will likewise have the same A18 processor and 8 GB of RAM, while the other models will have 12 GB for add-on features. Purple is the most popular color of the two colors available for the basic iPhone 17. There isn't much of a color shift in ProLand, but the standard black, white, gray, and blue hues are back. This year, a dynamic island that may shrink utilizing a clever new lens system is part of the Real Pro hardware. A 48-megapixel sensor has replaced the telephoto lens, and the optical zoom has been reduced from 5x to 3.5x. It feels like a degradation to people who like the 5x zoom, even though this is meant to better portrait photographs. Though it won't be the same, Apple claims that they will use digital cropping to replicate the 5x. Along with some intriguing elements, the iPhone 17 range also includes some controversial features. We will be able to provide additional details as September draws near. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.